Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shamila Tabassum and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. So let's make chicken Reshmi Kebab recipe today. So it's a delicate Mughlai chicken kebab that's utterly silky. You will love this super juicy, tender, melt in your mouth chicken Reshmi Kebab. So let's see the process. First, I'm going to blend some fresh coriander leaves, handful of mint leaves, 3 green chilies, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now blend it nicely and set this aside. In a bowl, add 500 grams boneless chicken cubes, goes in 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon oil, and the green mixture. Half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, half teaspoon brown sugar, 3 tablespoon curd, 4 tablespoon milk powder, and now give this a very nice mix and marinate this for 2 to 3 hours. Drizzle a tablespoon of oil. Now place the chicken pieces. Now roast on all sides, basting with oil till it becomes golden brown. And now heat charcoal in stove until it turns red at the edges and a layer of white ash forms. Place the glowing coal in a small bowl and place on frying pan. Drop 1 teaspoon oil or ghee on the coal. And now I'm going to cover the frying pan with the lid. Set aside to smoke for about 5 minutes. And serve hot with accomplishments of your choice and enjoy. These quick and easy minty kebabs served with raita and some sliced onions. So guys, gorgeous kebabs that make an amazing meal with bold flavors and is packed full of freshness is ready to serve now. I encourage you to try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Follow us for more short recipes and updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon so that you will get notification every time we post a new recipe. And see you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.